Hi, this is the English short version of the Consumer Price Index video. The Consumer Price Index is an index like the indexes we've learned about before. But it's not your regular index. The Consumer Price Index is an index telling about the average consumption numbers of a household. For each year, consumption numbers are calculated for an average family, and this is done by the Norwegian Bureau of Statistics, Statistisk Sentralbyrå, and we can have a look at their website. It's here, and it shows the Consumer Price Index from 1865 up to last year. And as expected, if we look at 1998, the Consumer Price Index is 100. We are only interested in the average, which is here on the far right hand side. The monthly numbers we are not going to look at now. So it was 100 in 1998, the base year. Last year, 2011, the average was 130.4. This means that the average consumption by a household has gone up 30.4% from 1998 to 2011. Let's look at some older numbers. If we go back to 1982, we can see that the Consumer Price Index was about 50. That means that the average consumption has doubled from 1982 to 1998. So the Consumer Price Index, it tells about how much an average household consumes, but that also says something about the level of the prices in Norway. And all the time you see that against the base year 1998. When it comes to doing calculations with the Consumer Price Index, it's very much the same as with other indexes. We can have we should have a brief look at an example. In this example, we say that an average family spent 265,476 crowns in 1998, and that the number for 2007 was 314,855 crowns. And our job will be to calculate the Consumer Price Index of 2007. So I like to make a table where I put an X in the middle, and this X represents the Consumer Price Index of 2007. That's why I write 2007 above the X, and I write KPI, Consumer Price Index, on the left hand side. The other year in our exercise was 1998, so that is what I'm going to write on top of the other column. And I write consumption in the last row, forbruk. That's where we wrote price in the examples with indexes. And then I just put in 100 for the Consumer Price Index of the base year 1998, and I enter the numbers for the consumption for 2007 and 1998. And from that I make an equation, and it becomes an equation because X over 314,855 equals 100 over 265,476. can I solve this in the normal way for an equation? And when I calculate this, I get 118.6, which is then the consumer price index for 2007. So that concludes this short version. For the full version, see the Norwegian video clip. Thank you.